Hey guys, it's Tuesday, April 28th, and I want to start today by reviewing hyperbole. Hyperbole is an obvious exaggeration used to emphasize a point or add excitement or humor to a story. So today we are going to be doing a practice assignment with hyperbole. And this one is going to be a little bit different from last week. Last week we were just identifying if there was a hyperbole in the sentence. This time we are going to identify the object or idea that's being exaggerated and explain what it really means. So the example, I have an endless list of things to do. So what is being what is the hyperbole in that sentence? It's the endless list. Okay, that's the exaggeration, an endless list. And then what does that mean? It means I have a lot to do. Okay, so you have 4 practice today. Tomorrow we will go over the answers and you will have an assignment. Okay. So that is our figurative language for today. Let's take a look at what we're doing with Number the Stars. Number the Stars today is reading chapter 13. It is a short chapter, so I am not going to read it aloud. This is just read on your own today. No assignment for Number the Stars today, but there will be one tomorrow. All right, that's it. So good luck. If you have questions, let me know, please. I hope you guys are doing okay and that you're safe. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.